Hi everyone, my name is Myiesha and I'm a Sephora Beauty Director, and today's video is all about vegan beauty must-haves. I love how easy it is to find vegan beauty products nowadays. I personally use Sephora.com or my Sephora app to filter through things when I'm looking for clean products or vegan products. I just sort of went through all my stuff at home and I picked some of my favorites that I think you all really enjoy. So for those of you unfamiliar with vegan formulations and products have to exclude animal products or byproducts, things like honey, beeswax, or lanolin. So the first thing I want to talk about is an eyeshadow palette with lots of bright, vivid colors. This is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is the Norvina Pro Pigment Palette Volume 1. From what I know about vegan pigments, I think reds and purples and sometimes magentas can be the hardest colors to formulate and still maintain that vegan status. This is why I think this one is stunning. So if you're someone who likes to keep your makeup collection vegan, I think this is a really great place to start if you're very into color like myself. Has these really pretty colors. There are matte shadows as well as shimmer shadows. So really, really pretty colors. And I just love these because they're stunning colors. They're beautiful, bright colors. And I think there's a misconception that vegan products have to be more neutral colors, more natural colors. You can have some fun with something like this. So I feel like it wouldn't be a favorites video of mine personally without some type of fragrance. I chose this particular fragrance because it's wonderful. So this is from Clean Reserve and this is their Solar Bloom fragrance. It's a very beautiful, warm and citrusy scent. And I think a lot of times when you have that warmth in a fragrance, there tends to be a honey in it. So this is a really beautiful, warm and citrusy scent. There's bergamot, orange blossom, and coconut water. So what I love about Clean is their packaging is also sustainable. So the wood that the cap is made out of is sustainably sourced. Even the plastic that the fragrance comes in is plant-based. Definitely one of my favorites, a brand you should check out if you want vegan fragrances. So next is a skincare product, and this is something that's new to Sephora that I've really been loving, and this is from Edem. This is the Milk Marble Dark Spot Serum with niacinamide and vitamin C. So this is a beautiful brightening serum. I also like it just for nourishing the skin. I have oily skin, so I use it as a moisturizer because it just has a really nice light touch of moisture to it. It is something that you can use when you are pregnant, as both the founders were pregnant when they formulated it. So if you are looking for something to keep your skin bright and keep your skin hydrated that's very easy to use, I definitely recommend this. So this is also a Black owned brand, this one as well as the next one I'll be speaking to. So that's amazing, but I really love this. I love the way it feels on my skin. I love the way it's maintained my skin throughout pregnancy. I've gotten no dark spots at all, which has been really, really great because I wasn't quite sure what I was going to use. So it has a really nice texture to it. Again, I use this underneath my makeup as well, and I'm very particular about what I put under my makeup. So it has to be very soothing and moisturizing but lightweight. It also has pineapple and papaya enzymes, so it exfoliates the skin too. So if you're maybe a little sick like me throughout your pregnancy, you didn't have time to do other things like exfoliate your skin, this sort of takes care of a lot of your concerns in one product, which is really, really nice. I would say it's suitable for all skin types. Again, I'm oily and I found this to be a good amount of moisture if you're drier. Maybe put a little oil on top. I feel like that would be really great, but really nice texture. So lastly, I want to talk about a vegan hair care product that I really, really like. This is from Melanin Hair Care, and this is the African Black Soap Reviving Shampoo. If you're not familiar with Melanin Hair Care, it's a Black owned brand that was started by an influencer YouTuber, Whitney, who's Natural85 on YouTube. I've watched her for over 10 years probably, and she's known for creating homemade hair products like flaxseed oil gels and things like that that work really well for your hair. We have a very similar hair type, so when she came out with a line, I bought it right away. I was obsessed, and everything I've tried I absolutely love. It makes my routine so much easier. This is the last thing I'm trying that I really, really like because I couldn't get my hands on it because it was so popular. So African Black Soap is something you typically go to a farmer's market or an African market to get. It's like a bar soap. You use it to wash your face or your body. She's found some way to emulsify it. She's added in things that are antifungal, like peppermint oil, and also stimulating for the scalp, so it feels really good. There's also shea butter in here, so it's not a shampoo that's going to strip your hair at all. It's going to feel very moisturizing. Everything I've tried so far, from the oil that's really great on the hair as well as all over the body, the leave-in conditioner, the curly cream has been amazing. I really, really love it, and it's made my routine so much easier. So there you go. These are some of my favorite products that just happen to be vegan that worked really wonderfully for me that I absolutely love. In the comment section, I feel like it'd be nice to share your favorite vegan beauty product and why you love it. It's always nice to sort of see what other people are into. Maybe if you're a strict vegan or you're someone that just wants to add more vegan options to your beauty routine, I think that would be nice. As always, subscribe so you don't miss any of our videos. So be sure to hit the like button so we know that you loved it, and I will see you next time. Bye.